Wanlong Stone Machinery Limited is located in Kinmen Scientific and Industrial Area. The company covers an area of 50 acres, with building area of more than 10,000 square meters. Wanlong is now able to provide customers a variety of complete and professional solutions from China. Wanlong can not only help existing stone processing factories to expand production capacity and improve efficiency, but also can provide newly established factories with the best stone processing solutions. Prompt and reliable after-sales service is also guaranteed by Wanlong Stone Machinery Limited. The well-organized after-sales team provides all-round services covering from installation, maintenance, supply of spare parts, and market research to decision-making and production, with more than 30 years experience in foreign export business. With the continual efforts of professional export team, we look forward to establishing business relationship with you.